the arrival of His Excellency Governor of Anambra State, Chief Dr. Wuli Madabrochukwu Obiano. The governor is about to step down from his convoy as a special guest of honor to 2018 Southeast Regional Ohaneze Ndibo Summit. Here is His Excellency meeting his people. His Excellency is moving.
At this occasion,
His Excellency,
we are the Igbos of Nigeria have decided to come
the
together
hard-working governor
to
in
discuss
Nigeria,
and decide to take the bull by the tail and the horn, to decide on the future of an Igbo in this firmament called Nigeria. We have all the governors of 5 Igbo states, including that of Delta and Rivers, agreeing together that they are going to discuss to chart a course for Igbo and their brothers and sisters who are coterminous. Ladies and gentlemen, essentially, we have all gathered here today to discuss how Igbo would have their space in this scheme of things in the government called Nigeria. Are we going to continue with the federal structure, or do we go for a